Hi, welcome to Analytics for All. I'm Dr. Ben Larson. This will be the first in our series of web scraping and automation using Python. In this case, we're going to be using Selenium to connect to and control a Chrome web browser. As with all my lessons, I have a full write-up on my website, analyticsforall.org, and I'll have a link to this in the comment section of the video. Okay, things you're going to need for this is Python, obviously. I use the Anaconda distribution, but you can use any version you want. Anaconda I like because it comes with most of the things you'll need for data management. You're going to need Selenium for Python, Google Chrome. Other browsers can be run by Selenium as well, but such as Firefox and Safari, but I'm using Google Chrome here because I just find it's probably one of the most popular browsers everybody seems to have out there. And you're going to need a Chrome driver. That's what we're going to do next. Okay, to get your Chrome driver, you're going to go up here to your three dots, down to Help, About Google Chrome, and it'll pop up and tell you what version you're using. I'm using version 102. So I'll then go in to search for Chrome driver download, go to the Chrome driver, chromium.org, click on it, pick your version, mine's 102, and pick the version of system I'm using a Windows. This will be something you're going to have to do a lot because every time your Chrome updates, you'll have to probably find the new driver for it. But anyway, so once I've got it downloaded, I unzip it, and I'm just going to copy and paste it into my desktop because that's where I want to keep it. But you can put it wherever you want as long as you know where it is. Okay, once we have our Chrome driver in place, we can go ahead and go into Python. I'm using the Spider IDE. You can use any IDE you want. This is just one I prefer. The first step, from Selenium, we're going to import our WebDriver. And then we're going to start with some options feature here. So you can use any variable name you want. I just use ops. WebDriver.Chrome options. Remember, Python is very case sensitive, so make sure you have your capitalization on there. And then the code to get into it is we're going to assign a driver. We're going to say WebDriver equals Chrome, options equal ops, which I put up here. In the executable path, this is where my Chrome driver I just downloaded sat. So I put it to my desktop. So that's what we want. So if I run this little section right here, we should open up a browser. Okay, here's the browser. And you notice it'll say here, when you look at it, it'll say Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. This does mean you're not running a standard Chrome driver. It's not a standard Chrome operation. It's like you can't really get into your Gmail or certain features because of security reasons, because it now knows it's not being run by a person, it's being run by test software. But most things you can do will still work this way. But just keep in mind there are some restrictions because of the test software functionality. And this applies even when you try Mozilla, all the other things too. They still know it's not real software and it limits certain things you can do. So that being said, I know we want to do more than just look at a blank browser. So let's go ahead and get a website up there. So driver, which I assigned up here as the web driver, .get, and then type in the name of a website. I'm using my website. You can use any website you'd like. And we're going to run this. There we have it. Website came up under the automation software. In the next video, I'll show you how to go in there, manipulate the site, move around, look at different things. But for now, just try different sites, go around. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below. And if you got any questions or suggestions, something else you'd like me to try, let me know. I'm always open to new ideas. Again, this is Dr. Ben Larson from Analytics for All. Thanks for joining me.